how to get Cash App money. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can get money on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get Cash App money, I'm assuming that you are talking about withdrawing your money. So to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Cash App. Make sure that you have some funds over here, and whenever you just come to this home page, you can just tap on the home page option here. Here you'll find the option called Cash Out, so you can basically tap the Cash Out option. Once you tap on Cash Out, you will be able to enter the details as to where you want to withdraw your money to, and then you will be able to get your Cash App money. This way you will be able to get your Cash App money. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.